This is something new. The EJH is going off.
Something that would...
The National Weather Service in Burlington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Essex County in northern New York, southwestern Franklin County in northern New York, southeastern St. Lawrence County in northern New York, until 9 p.m. At 8:12 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing 1-inch diameter hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. The storm was near Shirtlift, moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. Locations in the warning include but are not limited to Horseshoe Lake, Piercefield, Newcomb. This severe thunderstorm is also producing deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. When you can do so safely, please report damaging winds or hail to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-863-4279 or by submitting a storm report at weather.gov/Burlington. Get to safety immediately when threatening weather approaches. Winds may not
KSC-43 beat KIG-60. That's surprising.
Large hail may cause injury and damage property. Now the official National Weather Service forecast for the Champlain Valley, which includes...
Shut up. Hey, KSC-43 is finishing up.
Thunderstorms may produce gusty...
County in central Vermont.